My group will explain about the environment and corporate culture. First, I'm explain about location of the organization general, text, and internal environment. Organization environment is an element assigned outside the organization boundaries that have the potential to affect the organization. The organization external environment can be further conceptual as having two layers. First, general environment, second, text environment. Then what is the general environment? General environment is the layer of the external environment that affect the organization indirectly. The dimension of the general environment include international, technological, social culture, economy, legal, political, and natural. As described earlier, the tax environment includes those sectors that have a direct working relationship with the organization, among them customer, competitor, supplier, and the labor market. The internal environment includes employees, cultural, and management. Next, in the first general environment, there is international. International dimension is percent of the external environment that represents event originating in foreign countries as well as opportunities for U.S. company in the other countries. In the second general environment, there is technological. Technological dimension is the dimension of the general environment that includes significant and the technological advancement in the industry and society at large. Will later be explained by my friends.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Alma Vera, my student ID 003. And then I will continue the presentation from my college. The second is socio-cultural dimension. The dimension of the general environment in representing the demographic characteristics, norms, customs, and values of the population within which the organization operates. The third is economic dimension, the dimension of the general environment representing the overall economic health of the country or region in which the organization operates. The fourth is legal political dimension, the dimension of general environment that includes federal, state, and local government regulation and political activities designed to influence company behavior. And fourth, the last is natural dimension, the dimension of the general environment that includes all elements that occur naturally on Earth, including plant, animal, rock, and natural resources such as air, water, and climate. And thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Infanta Faza Uberidanti and my student number is 049. So I will continue the next layer of organization's external environment, that is tax environment. Tax environment is the next layer of organization's external environment, which is directly influence the organization's performance and operations. So, tax environments are divided into four sectors: CCSL, customers, competitors, labor market, and suppliers. First is customers. Customers are people and organizations that acquire service and goods from the organizations. Customers are very important because they can determine organization success. The second is competitors. Competitors are the other organizations at the same industry that provide goods and services at the same set of customers. For example, Netflix and Blockbusters. They are use an innovation in pricing and distributions to win a loyalty of online movie customers. The third is suppliers. Suppliers are people and organizations that provide raw materials for the organizations to produce their output. So between the suppliers and the organizations have to build a good relationship to get a high quality raw materials with low prices. And the last is labor market. Labor market are persons that are available to hire by the organization. For example, an organization hires a person, a new graduate from a university, for example, like that. So thank you.
Okay, thanks for the opportunity. My name is Ilana Tusrofal Karima and my student number is 054. So, why do the organization care so much about factor in the external environment? So, the reason is the environment creates uncertainty for organization manager and they must respond by designing the organizational to adapt to the environment. So, next is we talk about the environmental uncertainty. Uncertainty here means that managers do not have savvy client information about environmental factor. So the rate is depend on the number of factor in an organizational environment and the rate in change factor of the environment. So it can be high uncertainty and then the low uncertainty. So next is adapting to the environment. Even organizations face increased uncertainty with respect to competition, customers, suppliers, or government regulation. Manager can use several strategies to adapt to this change, and there are three. First is boundary spanning rules, second is in organizational partnership, and then the third is merger and joint ventures. Thank you.
Thanks the opportunity. My name is Melissa Chandra Devurnata. My student number ID 057. Here I will explain about the internal environment corporate culture. The internal environment within manager work includes corporate culture, production, technology, organization, structure, and physical facilities. The fundamental values, the characters, an organization culture can be understood through the visible manifestation of symbol, stories, heart, slogan, and ceremonies. I will explain just two symbols. Number one, symbols. A symbol is an objective, etc., or event that convey meaning to others. Symbol can be considered a rich nonverbal language that vibrantly convey the organization important values, conquering how people relate to one another and interact with the environment. Second, stories is a narrative based on true event and is repeated frequently and shared among organization employees. Stories find pictures that help symbols the first vision and values and help employees personalize and abstract them. Thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Rizka Nur Aini and my student number ID 070. And I will explain about the internal environment corporate culture. Number 3. Heroes. A hero is a figure who exemplifies the deeds, character, attribute of a strong culture. Heroes are role models for employees to follow. Heroes show how to do directing in the organization. And next, about slogan. A slogan is a phrase or sentence that sentenceally expresses a key values. Many companies use a slogan or saying to convey special meaning to employees. Cultural values can also be discerned in written public statements, such as corporate mission statements or other formal statements that express the core values of the organization. And the last, number 5, ceremonies. A ceremony is a planned activity at a special event that is conducted for the benefit of an audience. Manager hold ceremonies to praise the dramatic exemplars of company value. Ceremonies are special occasions that reinforce value establishment. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for the opportunity. My name is Dira Anggreni Dewi and my study number is 094. Okay, I will explain about type of culture. Type of culture, there are 4 types. Number 1 is editability culture. Editability culture is a culture characterized by values that support the company's ability to interpret and translate signal from the environment into new behavior response. Okay, number 2 is achievement culture. Is a result-oriented culture that values competitiveness, personal initiative, and achievement. Okay, thank you.
Thanks for the opportunity. I will introduce myself first. My name Vincentius Kevin Liandi and my student number is 111. Okay, now I will continue my friend presentation about type of culture. Is number 3 involvement culture. A culture that places high value on meeting the needs of employees and value cooperation and equality. And then the last type of culture is a consistency culture. A culture that value and rewards a methodical, rational, and orderly way of doing things. Thank you.
Thanks for the opportunity. My name is Joaquim Chisnomosa and my name number is 112. I will explain about shaping corporate. The idea for this vertical fashion saw at Rockefeller Center, where an acrobatic rappelling troop walked down in the set of building, was born in Target High Performance Culture. Target has quite three big idea internal contest in which department compete for additional budget allocation over that for innovative ideas. The fund create competition and encourage a sense of employees ownership and reinforce shared values. Tapping into employees' talents help Target meet its mission of providing customer with more or less. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for the opportunity. My name is Kiki Yuni Agrisa. My student number 129. I will explain about cultural leadership. A primary way which managers shape culture, norms, and values to build and enhance performance culture intercultural leadership. Manager must communicate excessively to ensure that employees follow new cultural values and they keep signaling values in action as well as word. A culture leader approves and uses signaling and symbols optimize the company culture. Culture leader influence culture into mind earth. The first culture leader articles and vision for the culture of the organization employs controls. The leader determines and communicates central first that the employees will first they and will agree. First is acrylic the surface interesting mission or core purpose. The second is a culture leader who delivers daily activities that support culture vision. The leader sets the work producer. The reward system is suitable and false. Thank you.